Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to jack your car up. Before we can jack the car, we need to find the jack points. Most cars are indicated by little arrows, as you can see me pointing to here on this car. Before lifting the car, it's important to make sure the wheels are blocked and the handbrake is engaged. The next step is to line up your jack with the jack point. This is usually a flat piece of metal directly in line with the arrow I showed you earlier. I'll give you a better look at one in a moment. Remember, whenever you're jacking up your vehicle, it's important to do it on a solid surface. As you can see, I'm doing it on concrete here, but if you haven't got a concrete driveway, you can always use a piece of wood. As you can see, as the jack goes up, it starts to move forward as well. This is why it's important to have a flat, hard surface so the wheels can move freely. Once you have reached the desired height, it's always best to secure the car with a jack stand. Do not leave it on the jack, as it can easily fail. It's better to have something solid so when you're underneath it, it can't fall down on top of you. At the end of the day, no one wants to become a pancake. So I've got some footage of a few different angles of me jacking up the car here. So as that plays out, let's talk about why you want to jack your car up in the first place. The first thing that comes to mind when I talk about jacking my car is changing the tyre. Now this may sound silly, but I always recommend you read your owner's manual to find out where your jack points are. As I said, they are visually indicated by these arrows on the side, but it's always useful to know before an emergency happens and you have to change your wheel, so you know where they are. The next thing that comes to mind is making repairs, anything from brakes, tie rods, drive shafts, wheel bearings, changing clutches, all require you to jack the car up. I could go on for ages talking about all the uses of having your car jacked off the floor, but I think I'll just stop there for now. Let's talk about where to put your axle stands. Usually, depending on what end of the car you're working at, there'll be part of a subframe or main frame that you can put the axle stand on. Be careful not to put the axle stand on a part of the frame that you may need to remove. So it's always better to use the main frame rather than the subframe in this respect. As you can see me putting it here, I put it on this light bit of the frame here that holds the car up perfectly. This will vary from car to car. Here's a better look at the jack point indicator and jack point itself. The jack point indicator is like an upside down triangle, as you can see here. The jack point itself is a large, solid, flat piece of metal, as you see me pointing to here. I know lifting your vehicle can seem daunting at first. That's why I've prepared a few little tips for you at the end of this video. This is just a short list of tips. If you have any of your own, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching until the end. If you'd like to see more from me, please sub to the channel, drop me a like and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Once again, thank you for watching Dobby's Repairs. Have a great day.